Most people work hard every day. They earn money, they pay bills, they take care of everyone else. But many still wonder, am I making the right moves with my money? The truth is, success does not happen by accident. It takes discipline, it takes direction, it takes a plan. Welcome to YHPR Elite. We believe your financial journey should start with understanding you, your goals, your family, your future. Before any strategy is discussed, we listen first. Our process is simple. Step 1, discover where you are and where you want to go. Step 2, explore your options in a way that actually makes sense. Step 3, build a strategy designed around your goals. Protect what matters, grow with purpose, transfer a lasting legacy. Because the decisions you make today can impact generations tomorrow. Elite, discipline today, dominance forever.